I was driving down 411 in Alabama when I passed this store with a spray painted sign that said Fred's 411 Junk Store. There was junk everywhere. With that spray painted sign, you know he's got to have some good junk, or the kind of junk that nobody wants. I found this cute handmade bread box that I plan to take home and redo.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What'd you do, Ethan?
Purple.
You made purple?
Let me make purple.
Look at your fingers.
I want to make purple.
I'm so glad you stopped by my channel today. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the Breadbox makeover. And if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe. Until next time.